Shenzhen SUNGPO High-Tech Electronic Company Limited from 2011 holds the controlling share 100% for Dongguan SUNGPO Industrial Company Limited. SUNGPO is focusing on R&D and manufacturing fitness and beauty personal care products. The main products in good quality are massage guns that produce capacity reached 6,000 per day. SUNGPO provides one-stop services ID or structure designing, software development, mold opening, and manufacturing were approved by lots of famous customers abroad. Their products are related to 5 elements: sound as ultrasonic beauty devices, light as far infrared and light photon skincare devices, electric or electronic as massage gun and other massage products, heat as heated clothing, and magnetism. For all those above products, SUNGPO has mature technology already. Located in Dongguan City in China, SUNGPO, owned with professional research and development team of 9 rich experienced engineers, 6,000 square meters factories, 6 production lines, more than 120 employees. SUNGPO has got full certifications of CE, RoHS, FCC, UN38.3, MSDS for the products, and owned with dozens of patents applied from China, the United States, and Europe. The factory has been approved by BSCI and ISO 9001. In the willingness of bring healthy life with high technology and fast manufacturing, SUNGPO is devoted to creating an easier, healthy, and beautiful lifestyle to all customers.
Hello, dear customers. Good day. As you see above, SUNGPO is willing to offer to you a factory which supports you good quality products with OEM and ODM. If you have good idea of the product and you want to have the factory to support you OEM or ODM, please just contact with us. Join us. Thank you.